Yugamogis Penkalamkari sarees, heavy bordered Kanjivarams on it, a pure and natural Penkalamkari work done. All are beautiful works. We'll show you one saree here, a very pretty village pattern, elegantly hand painted with a beautiful pallu on the excellent work. Same way the pallu color blouse piece is given with big borders which can be used for the sleeves. Complete saree is having very elegant hand painting work all over. Beautiful ones, very excellent description of the ancient village. Completely hand painted. Exclusive designs. We have a lot of collections like this. For the full videos of all the sarees, you can refer our channels, other videos. Description will be posted. Subscribe us for more views and more videos. Thank you. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree, heavy border, beautiful Kanjivaram soft silk with very elegant pallu and blouse piece. Here we have a deep Rani pink color blouse piece with completely gold zari work, beautiful pallu. It's an interlock weaving technique and very beautiful handloom saree. And same way the blouse piece is also pallu color here, plain blouse piece with the borders which can be used for the sleeves of the saree. And very elegant pattern, hand painted here. Complete saree is having a beautiful village pattern, penned and painted using natural colors. You can see a family doing their agricultural works and the ancient hut designs and very beautiful cattle are depicted here. The complete saree, the body is having the same denomination, a very pretty work. Description of the ancient period is given in the painting itself. You can see the colors used completely. Vegetable dyes are used. No form of chemicals are used in the saree. It's a perfect organic saree here and completely penned as well as painted using natural colors. And the saree comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree, heavy border, beautiful soft silk, double warp, very elegant 12-inch border collection in a elegant pallu. Here we have a deep navy blue color pallu with beautiful interlock weaving technique, gold zari worked, very beautiful pallu it is. Same color blouse piece, plain blouse piece with both sides the border design given which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is a beautiful Penkalamkari work saree, completely hand painted, penned and painted using the natural colors. Here it is painted in a mild red shade, natural color, so you can see the visible marks there, and you can see a very elegant, traditional and always beautiful and ever loved design. The elephants as well as the animals pattern here and there, it's been painted, even the fishes, and we have florals along with it. Perfect Penkalamkari, penned and painted on natural colors and with the beautiful borders in both sides, a 12-inch border. Elegant and beautiful saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree, a very beautiful artistic work done on pure and heavy border, 12-inch border Kanjivaram silk. A very elegant pallu here, Rani pink pallu with very beautiful closely weaved design done using golden zari, and same way the blouse piece is also plain in pallu color and the sleeves having a beautiful border design. The saree here is penned and painted using natural colors, a Ellora design. The Ellora cave painting design is done here. You can see the beautiful and multiple designs. Very elegantly it's been done. On the base black, it is painted black actually. Beautiful colors. The colors used are completely vegetable dyes. No form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree. Tedious process, a traditional process too. Done very perfectly by our artistic workers. Beautiful one. And it comes with authentic silk mark. Yeah. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree. Perfect heavy bordered saree, Kanjivaram soft silk, double warp with very beautiful pallu here, Rani pink pallu, closely weaved gold zari worked pallu it is, very elegant interlock weaving technique. Same color, plain blouse piece is given with very elegant borders both sides which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is very beautiful village pattern. The ancient village is described here in the saree in a painting. Beautiful one. The ancient sculptures design, monolithic work all over, penned and painted using natural colors. You can see the various aspects of the ancient generation. Beautifully it's been depicted in a full saree. Very elegantly hand painted. Artistic work it is. It consumes a lot of labor and beautiful work A traditional South Indian work it is, with beautiful borders as well, which gives a beautiful and rich look to the saree. Elegant one, completely penned and painted using natural colors. Vegetable dyes are used, and it comes with authentic silk mark certificate. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree, a very beautiful artistic Penkalamkari done on a very rich Kanjivaram soft silk, beautiful double warp silk with a pallu that is in deep blue color, a navy blue shade. Same color blouse piece, and we can see the big borders in both blouse piece and pallu. A very rich gold zari work in pallu. And here we have a colored penned and painted using natural color dye Penkalamkari, and here it is a beautiful floral design. The flowers are big and the floral design, the kodi design is also done. Colors used are very beautiful. The combination of the saree and the border is also very perfect. You can see the work, artistic work it is. It consists lot of labor and time. And it's a fine artwork of the painter, and it is done using the natural vegetable dyes, and that adds the value of the saree. A very perfect, beautiful artwork done using the natural color dyes. An organic saree, Penkalamkari done on pure silk, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree, a heavy bordered, beautiful Kanjivaram soft silk. Beautiful color choice also. The saree have an excellent pallu which is deep navy blue shade, and we have very elegant gold zari work all over. And it's an interlock weaving technique saree. You can see the beautiful finish. Back side of the saree itself is very beautifully done here. And we have a blouse piece that is also in same blue, navy blue, with borders in both sides. A big sleeve we will get, we use the border itself. And here the saree is penned and painted using natural colors. So basically in black shade it is painted, black color, the natural black here. And flower pattern, a water lily concept is done here along with lotuses. Excellent one. The color used are completely organic vegetable dyes. No form of synthetic chemicals or chemical dyes are used in the saree. A perfect organic saree it is, using the natural colors, and the border adds the beauty to the saree, gives a beautiful richness. It's completely jacquard weaving. You can see the finish. Finely hand woven saree and completely hand painted design all over the body. The saree comes with authentic silk mark as well. Okay. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree with heavy bordered Kanjivaram silk. A very elegant double warp soft silk with beautiful borders. A 12-inch border at the top, bottom, and top we have a 4-inch border. Completely jacquard weaving border, and we have a pallu that is in Rani pink. A heavily worked pallu it is with golden zari. Closely weaved design. Same Rani pink is the blouse piece also here, with the borders running in the blouse piece as well. A beautiful sleeve, we can use the same blouse which having a very beautiful sleeve design. And we have the Ellora painting design in the saree. The base color of the saree is silk color itself, the sandal base. And the Ellora painting design is completely hand painted here all over the saree. Very famous and beautiful design. Excellent hand painting work, a very artistic, time consuming, tedious work it is. Penned and painted using natural colors. Vegetable dyes are used, you can see it visibly. Excellent design, artistic work, beautifully done on a heavy worked border saree, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on heavy bordered Kanjivaram soft silk. A beautiful saree, 12-inch border at the bottom, and we have a 4-inch jacquard weaving border at the top. Completely jacquard weaving it is. Original beautiful kanji border with a pallu that is in navy blue shade with fully gold zari worked close weaving. Same shade is given for the blouse piece, plain blouse piece with the borders running in both sides, which can be used for the sleeves. The saree here is painted completely in the natural colors, split it into two. The top half is in a peachy pink color shade, reddish pink it is. On it the floral pattern is hand painted, and low half we have the pond concept that is having a blue base and fishes in it. Excellently it's been painted. Beautiful artwork, completely natural color dyes are used in the saree. No form of synthetic chemicals or synthetic dyes are used in the saree. It's a perfect organic beautiful saree, Penkalamkari, a traditional process done on pure silk with heavy border, and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree, heavy bordered Kanjivaram soft silk, beautiful border and pallu design. The pallu design here is heavily done using the golden zari. The Rani pink shade, beautiful deep pink it is with closely weaving design. It's a rich pallu with 12-inch border at the bottom and 4-inch jacquard weaving border bottom at the top. Same way the blouse piece is also given in a plain pink color. Again it's having beautiful sleeve design which can be used. Just the border will do the sleeve here. Excellent border, it is big border. And the saree here is beautiful Ellora design on the base of the sandal color. The silk color is the base here, not painted on it. And you can see the very different design. The ancient period is depicted here. You can see a lot of ladies with their works with pot, and you can also see the instrumental designs, the dancing designs, multiple designs. It is a beautiful artistic work. You can see the faces and the costumes of the ladies. It just describes the ancient period of the South Indian people. Excellent one. Very beautifully it's painted using organic colors and it comes with authentic silk mark. Pure Penkalamkari silk saree done on a heavy bordered Kanjivaram soft silk. Very elegant 12-inch bordered saree. Beautiful pallu. Rani pink pallu with closely weaved rich design in the pallu. Completely golden zari used in the weaving. And we have same color blouse piece with the borders running in the blouse piece also. The border itself will make a beautiful elbow sleeve. Excellent 12-inch border. Jacquard weaving border it is. A perfect kanji border. And the saree here is in the natural silk color, the sandal color itself. And here the ancient village design is completely described as a painting. You can see the activities of the villagers. It's beautifully given. The hut, the well, everything, the cattle, everything is beautifully described here. It's a pure artwork. It takes almost a lot of time and energy for the artist to complete the saree. It's a tedious process as well. And natural colors are used here, only vegetable dyes. No form of synthetic chemicals are used in the saree at any point. Very beautiful one, completely hand painted, and it comes with authentic silk mark.